What's up, guys? It is Tremaine. I'm back, and today we're not going to a meet. We have something way more exciting. Well, meets are cool. I like the meets. I like meets, okay, but today we are doing something super exciting. No longer is the Focus going to be the only car that I own. So, if you can tell, we're going to go get another car today. We're about to head out here actually in a little bit. We're gonna go get the tow dolly, and then we're gonna head out and go get the car. I'll wait to show y'all what it is. There's no point in telling y'all right now. Y'all finna see it in a little bit. So I'll go ahead and we're gonna go ahead and head up there, and once we get there, I'll do a little walk around, show you guys the car. Actually, I just thought, I said I'm not gonna tell y'all, but by the title of the video you're gonna see. So never mind, don't listen to me. But like I said, let's go ahead and head up there and I'll show y'all the car. What's going on, guys? I want to interrupt today's video to ask you guys a very important question. Do you have good fitment? Like, seriously, don't lie. Do you? If you don't, what you need to do is go to fitmentindustries.com and take a look at their absolutely massive gallery. They have whatever car you would want, and the way it works, people upload their wheel, tire, and suspension setups to the website so that people like you, like me, and like anyone else who wants to know what size wheels they should run on their car so it doesn't look stupid whenever they're driving around. And it really is a great tool, because I used it for the Focus whenever I was picking my wheels, and my fitment was exactly how I wanted it, and it's all because of Fitment Industries gallery. So if you guys need to go and see what size wheels you need, go to their gallery, and whenever you're buying your wheels, tires, or suspension from them, you can get all of that shipped straight to your house. And if you're buying wheels and tires together, they mount and balance them for free. It's just a part of the deal. This is how it is, and it's so much easier, guys, so much easier. Because we all know trying to go to a tire shop to get them to stretch your tires for you sometimes is a bit difficult. So just save yourself that and order wheels and tires together at Fitment Industries, and they'll mount them for you. It's no issue. And then they balance them to the lower 48 for you for free. Why would you not do it? Why would you not? So if you guys are on the search for wheels, tires, suspension, they even sell wheel accessories. They sell merch like this shirt that I have on right here. They have plenty of other options. They have a ton of stuff on the website. So go take a look, see if there's something you like. And whenever you're checking out, before you do the actual checkout, go to who sent you, go to ambassadors, and scroll and look for my name, Tremaine SSJ, to help support me as well. And I really would appreciate it. Now let's get back to the video. So guys, as y'all see, there's the S13, and it is officially at the house. We got it right here next to the Focus. You know, I gotta get a pic for the gram of them both together, you know, because Instagram's gonna find out I have this first before the YouTube video. So, you know, you would have known before the video came out if y'all followed me on Instagram at Tremaine SSJ, just like my Instagram, but whatever, you know. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a little walk around and kind of just show y'all what we exactly have here, because as y'all see, it is low-key rough looking, but I'll explain. I'm gonna go ahead in this clip and I'm gonna show y'all. All right, so let's talk about the elephant in the room here, guys. Yeah, there's no engine. Now the thing is, with it not having an engine, I could have gotten an engine with it, but my thing is, for one, I would have had to got the engine like put in the car. And actually, hang on, because right here we have a 5-speed, the stock 240 5-speed, and I plan on SR20 swapping this car. I plan on putting an SR20 in here, and I could have got a KA, but I felt like that would have been like a waste of like time and money, like to get a KA, pay to get it put in, and then later on pay to get it pulled out so I could switch the SR. So yeah. Alright, so let me go ahead and show y'all what we do have for the car. Like y'all saw, we do have the trans, and in here we have a diff, we have an interior. We need to get carpet, which it's not a big deal. I found somewhere I could just order some. It's actually pretty cheap. Just order some, slap some carpet in here, get some floor mats, and then let's get inside. We need door panels on both doors. We have the dash that is cracked, as y'all see. So let's go ahead and throw this cover back on there so it just don't get worse. And you know, yeah, regular 240 things. I'm probably gonna get a new steering wheel because this one's kind of ugly, not gonna lie to you. I have a rear bumper, but we're gonna be getting a new one. Let's see, let's pop that trunk open, show y'all what's in there. Alright, so like I said, we got the bumper, we have axles that I'm gonna throw back in the car, we got a drive shaft, we have some wires under here, we got some stuff like in there. I really don't know what all we have, to be honest. I still gotta really like go through the car and see everything that it came with, because he just threw a whole bunch of parts in there and was like, here you go, they all for the car, you can have them all, take them. Of course I'm like, all right, why would I not take them? So yeah, so you know, you guys see what we got ourselves into with this car. So there's gonna be plenty, and I mean plenty of content coming to the channel, and as we build this car up, it's gonna just become, this car is gonna be the cleanest 240 in Arlington, I'm telling you guys. It's gonna be so nice once it gets done, and I'm gonna make another video explaining, like going deep detail of what I wanna do with the car, my plans, you know, because I am planning on dropping an SR, so I am trying to make a little bit of power, but nothing too crazy. Like I say, I'll explain in another video probably. So yeah, as you guys see, this is it. This is the new thing. It's gonna be, I'll probably have another video up soon of me like cleaning this car up. Like, it needs a wash. Like, dude, look at this. Like, bro, so dirty. Literally, like, the whole car, bro, it is so dirty. I'm probably gonna clean it this weekend and get that video up of me cleaning it. I'm gonna clean the outside, clean the inside as much as I can. I mean, I'll vacuum the seats out, I guess, or something. I don't know. I can't really vacuum. I guess I could vacuum the floor out, even though it's just metal, but whatever. Let me show you guys this, actually. There are rust spots. Right here, you can see through there. Stuff right there. And there's another one in the trunk. It's actually, I don't know what is in here, but it's heavy. That looks like brakes. It's like brakes. But as you see, boom, another rust hole. Because it looks like there used to be an actual hole here from factory, and then this rusted out. But like I said, we're gonna go to obviously we're gonna get a body shop. We're gonna find a nice good one. I'll pay the money that we need to get a good body shop to work on this car and really get really get it where it needs to be to get back on this road safely, because that's the biggest thing. I want it to be safe still, but I want it to get back on the road, but I don't want to die while I'm on the road, so gotta make sure you do it right. Yeah, so I know this ain't a long video considering I revealed a car, but like I said, there's not much to really do. You see the car, you see the situation we in. It's not like I can't go drive it or something. So yeah, so that's it for this video. Like I say, we have a ton, and I mean a ton of content coming, and I'm so excited. I haven't been this excited about something inanimate in like a long time. Like, I'm so excited to start working on this car. Like literally, I'm telling y'all, this weekend we're gonna clean it out, get it looking, I mean, it's kind of, but we're gonna get it cleaned at least, you know what I mean? Get the dust and stuff off of it, give it some love that it deserves, and we're gonna get started. We're gonna just try to get wrenching on this thing as soon as possible, guys, because I want to get this thing on the road as soon as I can. I want to be able to drive this thing. I've been wanting an S13 since like since I've been finding cars on my own, like since like I've been like 14 years old, and I found out about these. I've wanted one. I love these so much. These are my favorite S chassis. So see, so I got cut off last clip, my bad. But like I was saying, S13 is like my favorite S chassis aside from the S15. S15s are beautiful, but there's absolutely no way I can get an S15. So like, you know, but I love S13s. They are so nice. They're just like such a nice looking car to me. And the thing is, I found so many of the coupes, but I don't like the coupes. I like these ones. I like the hatchbacks or fastbacks, whatever you want to call it. I like these ones more because the coupe looks really weird in the back to me. I don't know it, and I don't really. And okay, I don't. If there's any of y'all out there that might hate me for saying this, my bad. But I'm not a fan of the Sylvia front on the S13. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. It's kind of ugly. It looks so blocky and old and just not good look. It doesn't look good. But yeah, so as y'all can tell, I'm excited and I'm ready. So if you guys are new to the channel because of this video, or if you've been here, either way it goes, if you're not subbed, sub to the channel, turn on notifications so you can know whenever we update about this thing, because we're gonna, like I said, we're pumping content out for this car. So we're gonna go ahead, make sure we get that started ASAP. So if you're new here, subscribe and follow me on Instagram at TremaineSSJ, same as my YouTube, and you'll see things that the vlog don't see first. Like you'll see those stuff first before the vlog sees it. So follow me on there like I said earlier, and I'll catch you guys next video. Peace.